Hello everyone. This video is on Windows 11's control panel and much more. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. It looks like Microsoft is doing away with the classic option to remove programs through the control panel, as a new Windows 11 preview build directs people to the Settings app instead. There is a link of the post in the description, where Microsoft tucked a little bit of information regarding the future of the uninstall programs option. Here's what the company said: links to programs and features in control panel will now open to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Basically, Microsoft is moving people to the Settings app instead of the control panel, which is another step towards phasing out the older method of changing options in Windows. Presumably, this will also mean that Microsoft will phase out the option to uninstall programs from the control panel entirely shortly, as that seems to be the path the company has followed in the past. First, it moves people over to the Settings app, but leaves the functionality in the control panel. Eventually, it drops the setting from the control panel completely, leaving people with only the newer option. To further emphasize that point, the latest Windows 11 Dev preview also moves the Uninstall Updates option from the control panel to a new page in Settings. The build also features some minor changes, such as adding snap groups in Alt plus Tab and Task View, and the requisite supply of bug fixes. We will test whether the option to uninstall programs from the control panel is still in this build with a virtual machine, and will update the video with our findings. If it does still exist, we wouldn't recommend getting too attached to it, as it'll likely get phased out soon.